Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious smoothie bowl with your Ninja Creami. First, combine your favorite frozen fruits, like 1 cup of mixed berries, with a half cup of liquid such as almond milk or juice. Pour this mixture into a Ninja Creami pint, ensuring it's level and doesn't exceed the max fill line. Freeze the pint for a full 24 hours to achieve the perfect consistency. This crucial step guarantees a creamy, scoopable texture every time. After your pint is thoroughly frozen, it's time for the magic. Secure the pint into the outer bowl assembly, then attach the lid with the paddle. Place it onto your Ninja Creami machine. Select the smoothie bowl function. The machine will then churn your frozen ingredients into a wonderfully thick and creamy base. Listen for the change in sound, indicating it's nearly done. Sometimes, after the first spin, your mixture might appear a bit crumbly. Don't worry, this is normal. Simply add 1 tablespoon of your chosen liquid, like water or milk, and select the respin function. Repeat this process if necessary, adding just a small amount of liquid each time until you reach that ideal, smooth, and creamy consistency. Patience here ensures a perfect bowl. Now for the best part, customizing your smoothie bowl. Scoop your creamy creation into a serving bowl. Get creative with your toppings. Fresh berries, sliced banana, granola, chia seeds, or a drizzle of honey all work wonderfully. This is where you can truly make it your own. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, healthy, and delicious Ninja Creami smoothie bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.